So I just rode my bike over to Publix in West Edge, and I needed eggs and cat food, and I just realized I gotta ride home. Hopefully I don't crack an egg. So let's see if I crack an egg riding home from Publix. Got the eggs and cat food on there. They're somewhat secure. Let's go. So I just had to stop and fix the bungee cords because I put them on too tight because I didn't want a bungee cord to squeeze an egg and crack it, but the eggs were falling off and the cat food was falling off. So now they're really tight and hopefully not cracking. All right, so far I think we're good, except we're about to hit this gravel. All right, so here's the moment of truth. None are cracked. Success.